I'm Bree the Plant Lady. Today I am starting to decorate for the holidays, and I wanted to show you how quick, easy, and beautiful it can be to reuse last season's Weston Farms Magnolia wreath. One of the reasons I love working at Weston Farms and using Magnolia grandiflora foliage is because it's so long-lasting and durable. So, here is my box from last year. This is how it gets shipped to you, fresh from the farm, which I'm about to go to as soon as I finish this video. I put it back in the shipping box with the wrapping, and voila! It's still holding together. That is what makes Magnolia so extraordinary, especially compared to things like Fraser fir that just shatter when they dry out. But I want to reinvent this for this year because I'm not decorating for fall, I'm decorating for Christmas. So let me give you some quick tips and tricks for reinventing your Weston Farms Magnolia wreath. I have pulled out my metallic spray paint. I love spray painting dried things from the garden to use for the holidays. I have gold, bronze, and silver. And then I also have dried poppies from last spring that I'm going to add. And because I'm the crazy grain lady, I have to add some wheat and some barley so that when you come to my front door, you know exactly where you are. So I decided to go with a silver motif because I have silver decorations out here on my front porch. I think it looks great. It just adds a little touch of sparkle, and it's a fantastic way to be able to reuse the wreath that I purchased last season from Weston Farms. I hope you'll be inspired to check out the Weston Farms website and buy beautiful Magnolia decorations for this holiday, knowing that you can use them year after year. Happy holidays, everybody!